Welcome children to NCERT Class 1 Maths Lesson 2 Part 2 Count and Match. Children, you can see some pictures here and some dots here. So you have to count the same numbers of dot with the pictures with the objects. Here are two jars and you have to find out where are the two dots. In the first box there are 1, 2, 3. 3 dots are there. So you cannot match this with this. Now count this. You can see more dots here, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you match this? No. Count these dots. 1, 2. How many jars are there? 1, 2. So you have to match this with this because they are same. 2 dots are here, 2 jars are here. This is count and match. Count and match. Okay. This is corn cob. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you have to look for 4 dots. These are how many dots? 3 dots. These are 7 dots. This is 2 dots. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are 4 dots. You have to match this with this. Now let us count the hammers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hammers are here and we have to count the dots. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 dots here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are 7 dots and hammer is 6. We cannot match this. Now 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 hammers and 6 dots. So you have to match this hammer with these dots. Now this bag is done here. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 3 dots are here. Now look at these apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 apples. And we'll count these dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can match this with this apples. So 7 apples and 7 dots. So children, you can match like this, okay? 2 jars to 2 dots. Corn, your corn will go here, okay? 4 corns, 4 dots. Hammer, 6 hammers. 6 dots here, 3 bags, 3 dots here, and 7 apples, 7 apple matching you will do like this. So you can match it like this. We already did one exercise. This is for your practice and you have to do it yourself. Let's just count the needles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 needles are here. Mangoes are 1, 2, 3, 4 mangoes. Pencils 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Flour 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 oranges are there. Now children, you will do this exercise yourself as a practice. 1. Children, here we will be learning 3 things. Like number 1. How we write number 1, how we spell number 1 and the value of number 1. So there are 3 different things you have to understand. Number 1, how we write it. This is the way we write number 1 and the value of number 1, the quantity of number 1 and the way we write it in words. Like 1 we write in numerical way we write 1 like this, but in words we write ONE1. Okay, and the value of that number 1 is one object. You can see here one grandma, one boy, one dog, one pot, one lantern and one cot. So children, the value of number 1 is one object. And here is a box given, you have to write. You have to start from top and go down and write number 1. So fill in the box here and write down the number. Let's understand number 2. Okay. Children, observe the picture. What do you see in the picture? There are 2 cows. Okay. 1, 2. There are 2 cows. There are 2 houses. Okay. 1, 2. And there are 2 men. 1, 2 men. Okay. And you can see 2 trees. Okay. And 2 buckets. Children, you can see 2 feeding trays to feed the cow. Okay. Now, let's see how we write number 2. This is the way we write number 2. Start from here, go down and write number 2. And the spelling of number 2 is TWO2. There are 2 cows, there are 2 houses, 2 men, 2 trees, 2 buckets and 2 straw. And in this box you will write number 2. Children, look at the picture and we are going to read number 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3 monkeys. You see how many monkeys there? 3 monkeys. And mangoes, 1, 2, 3 mangoes. Okay. And the monkeys are wearing caps. Okay. They are wearing caps. So how many caps monkeys have? 3 caps. Number 3 numerical we write like this. In words we write THREE3. THREE3. How many monkeys are here? 1, 2, 3. And this is the way we write number 3. How many mangoes are there? 1, 2, 3. How many caps are there? 1, 2, 3. So, numerical we write like this 3. In words we say THREE3. Children, there is a box given here. You can practice writing 3 here in your note, in your textbook. 4. The value of number 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are spools, you know, thread spools for kite. These are here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And this is the way we write number 4. And we spell out number 4 as F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. We start from here writing straight line down, a sleeping line and again a standing line like this. Okay children, practice writing number 4. The spool reels are here. There are 4 spool reels. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many kites are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Children, how many children are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 children. Let's understand number 5. Okay. Children, look at the picture here. Okay, what do you see here? You can see a balloon, a man selling balloon. You can see a man selling balloons. How many balloons are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons. Now, how many children are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children are there. And you can count the birds, okay? How many birds are there? Count. Look for the birds. You can see birds here in the tree and one flying from here. So there are how many birds in the tree? 4 and this is 5. So let's count. There are 5 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the way we write number 5. We say number 5 like this. F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5. So we write 5 in words like this. F-I-V-E 5. In numbers we write 5 like this. And the value for number values are, when we count them, there are 5 objects. Okay. So these are the count and match. Children, previous you have matched with the dots. Now here numbers are given. Okay, 1 to 5 numbers are there and the objects are here. Okay, so let's see. This is a watermelon. How many watermelons can you see? 2. So you have to match with the number 2. How many milk bottles do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Children, you have to match with number 5. Now look, where is number 5? This is number 4, 3, 2, 1 and 5. So children will match this bottle here. How many ladders are there? 1, 2, 3. So children, you have to match with number 3. Here is number 3. Cylinders. How many cylinders are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So where is number 4? The number 4 is here. You have to match this with this. And this is an elephant. How many elephants are there? Only 1. So where is number 1? Match with that number. Okay. Now you have to make groups. Here are few bottles are there and you have to make a group of 4 bottles. So you have to count first how many bottles are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bottles are there. But you want a group of 4 bottles. So you will make a group like this of 4 bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now make a group of 3 trees. In your group only 3 trees should be there. So 1, 2 and 3. Make a group of 3 trees like this. Okay. 2 drums. So 1, 2. You can make a group of 2 drums. 5 lanterns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So make a group of 5 lanterns. Okay. Children, you can write down the answer like this. You can observe this and do it in your book. Color 5 balloons. See, this boy is having many balloons, okay? But you have to color only 5 balloons. So, you'll count first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So children, you can color 5 balloons from anywhere, but you have to color only 5 balloons. Next question is color 4 flowers. There are many flowers here. You have to color only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Any 4 you have to color. Now next question. Color 2 trees. You can color 2 trees from. You can color these 2 big trees or 2, but you have to color only 2. Color 3 boats. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 boats are there. You have to color only 3 boats. Let's see number 6. Children, observe the picture here and we will learn number 6 now. Okay? Let's count in the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and how do we write number 6? We write in number 6 in numerical way like this. Okay, you start from here and go round and close it. Okay, and in words how do we say? S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. Children, let's count this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many people are here? 6. Now you can see some watermelon here. Okay. Let's count watermelon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we write down this 6. Okay. And we count here also watermelon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count flowers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count these flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Children, write down 6 in your book. Children, look at this picture of a garden. Okay, now we are going to learn number 7. Okay, number 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Children, can you see? What do you see here? You can see butterflies, you can see flowers and apple on the tree. We will first count the butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, butterflies are here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we write number 7 like this. Okay, write number 7. We will count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we write number 7 like this. Can you see apple on the tree? Let's count apple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We write number 7 here. Okay. In words, how we write? S-E-V-E-N 7. And number in numerical we write like this 7. Okay. And the value of it is, you can see values. Okay. 7 butterflies. Children, let's understand number 8. Okay. After 7 comes 8. How do we write? Like this 8. Okay. You start from here, go round, then go up and close it. And what is the spelling of 8 is? E-I-G-H-T. 8. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Now look at this picture, children. What do you see? You can see bags. You can see trees. You can see books. Okay. Let's count bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We write here 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We write number 8. Okay. Now count the books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 books. And write number 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. This is the number name. And number is 8 like this. And the values you have understood here. 8 bags. Okay. Children, after 8 number comes 9. So we are going to understand number 9. N-I-N-E 9. This is the way we write in words. Okay. And number 9 in maths you write like this. Okay. Number 9. Observe the picture here. Children, you can see some birds here. Some houses are here. Few men are sitting here. So let's count these men. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you'll write number 9. Okay. Now let's count the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here we write number 9. Now let's count the houses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we write number 9 here. Okay. And what is the number name? N-I-N-E 9. Children, please fill this box by writing so that you practice with number 9. Children, count and match. You have to count this and match with the numbers. You have already done before. Let's revise with numbers. 6, 8, 9, 7. So number comes 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many bananas are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bananas. Children, where is number 9? So you will draw a line from here to number 9. Count the chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where's number 7? Yes, you have to make a line from here to number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 pens. So where is number 8? You will go and match it, okay? To match, you will match with number 8. Now count the houses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where's number 6? You have to match with number 6. Make groups of 6 leaves. Now how many leaves are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is one group, okay? So you'll draw a line around it and make it one group. Now 7 glasses. Count the glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to make a group of 7 glasses. So you will make a group of 7 glasses. 8 potatoes. Count the potatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But you want only 8 potatoes in your group. So you will count and make a group of 8 potatoes. 9 ants. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you will make a group of 9 ants here. Okay. 9 ants. Match the number with the pictures. Now 1 is done for you. Okay. 3 balls are here. So number 3 is matching here. Okay. Now number 1, camel. Where is camel? Is 1. So you have to match camel with number 1. Okay. Ice cream is 2, 1, 2. So you will match 2 with ice cream. 4 is what? Count where you can see 4. You can see birds here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will match this bird with number 4. 5 is what? Brinjals. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this number 5 were brinjals. Okay. Rest children, you will do it yourself. Children, color 6 birds. You have to color only 6 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 birds you have to color. Color 9 mangoes. You have to color 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 mangoes and you have to color all of them. Because there are only 9 mangoes. Color 1 elephant. Any 1 elephant you can color. Color 7 bricks. Count the bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can color this 7 bricks. Name these things and write their number in the circle. There is a space here. This is a circle. And you have to write how many fishes are there. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you write here number 7. What is this, children? Books. So how many books are there? 1, 2. So write number 2 in this box. Now this tub. How many tubs are there? 1, 2, 3. So you write number 3 here. What is this, children? Balloons. And how many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write number 7 here. How many candles are there, children? This is a candle. How many candles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write number 9 here. How many rats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rats. How many bells are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write number 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 brushes are there, okay? Color the collection which has more objects. Now you have to compare between both things, and which is more, you have to color it, okay? One is done for you. This is a flask and this is a glass. So glass, how many glasses are there? 1, 2, 3. And how many flasks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is more, this is less. So you will color more, because the question is color the collection which has more objects. Now we go to second. These are ball and bat. Okay. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many bats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So which is more? The balls are more. So you will color the balls. How many flowers are there? 1, 2. How many butterflies are there? 1, 2, 3. So children, which you will color more? Which you will color? Which is more? Butterflies are more. So you will color butterflies. And this is a picture of nails and hammer. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is more? You will color it. Now count the apples and mangoes, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mangoes. So which is more? Apples are more. So you'll color the apple. Make collection equal. Now you have to make both the side equal. One is done for you, okay? How many circles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many circles are here? There were first 1, 2, 3. So you have to draw one more and color it. So here you have 4 and here is 4. How many squares are here? There are only 2 squares here. And how many squares are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to draw here more 3 squares. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you will write 5 here and you will write 5 here. How many triangles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And write 6 here. Okay, now how many triangles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many more you will draw? 5, 6. Means you will draw 2 more triangles, so that both the side will be equal. And you will write 6 here. How many spirals are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many spirals are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 more spirals you have to draw. If you draw 2 more spirals, here it will be 7 and here it will be 7. Children, draw join the dots starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And fish also you can join the dots and color this picture. Write the missing number. First you complete this caterpillar by writing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, what comes before and after 5? What comes before 5? You can look here also when you write the numbers. Before 5 comes 4 and after 5 comes 6. So, 2 numbers are here. What comes before 6? What comes before 6 is 5. After 6 is 7. So, 5, 6, 7. What comes after 1? 1, 2, 3. What comes before 4 and after 4? Before 4 comes 3 and after 4 comes 5. So 3, 4, 5. What are the next numbers? What are the next numbers? Number 2 is written here. So after 2 comes what? 3. And after 3 comes 4. 2, 3, 4. What are the next numbers? Now number 3 is written here. So after 3 comes 4 and after 4 comes 5. So you will write number 5 here. Now we'll learn the concept of 0. What is 0? When you don't have anything, it's 0. Okay? Let's read. 5 juicy mangoes kept in a basket. If you pick and eat one, how many will be left? See, there are 5 mangoes in this basket and girl, she eats one. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 juicy mangoes kept in a basket. If you pick and eat one, how many will be left? Now she had 4 mangoes in a basket and then the girl, she eats one more. So how many mangoes are left in a basket now? 3. So we'll write number 3 here. 3 juicy mangoes kept in a basket. If you pick and eat one, how many will be left? Now again this girl, she ate one more. So how many are left? 1, 2. We'll write number 2 here. 2 juicy mangoes kept in a basket. If you pick and eat one, how many will be left? Now from the 2 mangoes, she ate one more. So how many are left? 1. So 1 juicy mango kept in a basket. If you pick up and eat one, how many will be left? Now she ate that one mango also. So what is there in the basket? Nothing. So it is 0. There are 0 mangoes in the basket. So this is 0. This is the way we write 0 and we spell it as Z-E-R-O, 0. The basket is now empty. There is nothing in the basket. Count and write the numbers of birds on the branch. How many birds are here? You have to count and write it here. One bird flew away. Now how many birds are here? Write it down here. One more flew away. So how many birds are left here? 2. So you'll write it 2 here. Then from these 2 birds, one more flew away. Now on the tree, how many birds are there? Only 1. And this bird also flies away. So on the tree there is 0. You have to write 0 here. How many in the cage? There were 3 mice in the cage. 1 mice ran away. Okay. So how many mice are left in the cage? 2. Now from 2 mice, 1 more ran away. So how many mouse is there? Only 1. So, and this mice also ran away. So how many is there now? There is no mouse in the cage. All mice, they ran away. How many balloons in the hand? There were 3 balloons in the hand. 1 balloon got burst. Okay. So there were left only 2. From that 2 balloons, you have to write 2 here. Okay. And 2 balloons, 1 more balloon got burst. So how many balloons are left? Only 1. And the last one balloon also got burst. So how many balloons are left? 0. So you'll write now 0 here. Okay. Write 0 and do the practice of writing here. What is the spelling of 0? Z-E-R-O. 0. Okay. Hope children you have understood the lesson and you have learned number 1 to 9. The number name, the number concept you have understood. You have understood the concept of more or less. Count and write. You have understood how to write number names, number value and one-to-one correspondence of that. Thank you children.